When it comes to classic motorcycle riding, it's not just about the ride, it's about the style that comes with it. Retro motorcycle gear blends timeless aesthetics with modern functionality, offering riders the best of both worlds. In this video, we'll take a look at the best retro motorcycle jackets for classic riders, giving you a stylish and protective way to hit the road. Whether you're looking for a jacket that harkens back to the golden age of biking, or one that offers contemporary performance, these jackets are the ideal choice. Number 1. Flavor Men Biker Retro Leather Jacket. The Flavor Men Biker Retro Leather Jacket offers a perfect blend of vintage style and modern durability. Crafted from high-quality cowhide leather, this jacket exudes a rugged, worn-in look that's characteristic of classic biker culture. Its thick leather provides both protection and comfort, ensuring that you stay shielded from the elements and any potential road scrapes. What sets this jacket apart is its functional design. The leather is soft but tough, allowing for flexibility while maintaining strong abrasion resistance. The jacket features a front zipper closure with a snap collar, enhancing its retro aesthetic while ensuring a snug fit. The adjustable waist and cuffs allow for a customizable fit, so you can adjust the jacket to your body's shape for the best comfort. The design incorporates classic biker elements such as a sleek, streamlined body and a minimalist approach, keeping it simple yet elegant. It's fully lined for added comfort, making it wearable in various weather conditions. The Flavor Men Biker Retro Leather Jacket is an excellent choice for any rider who values both safety and aesthetics. Number 2. UGFashions Men's Vintage Retro Leather Jacket. For those who appreciate true vintage style, the UGFashions Men's Vintage Retro Leather Jacket is an impeccable option. Made from premium distressed leather, this jacket channels the essence of classic biker gear with its timeless design. The leather offers a unique, vintage appearance, further enhanced by natural creases and markings that add character and charm over time. Beyond aesthetics, the UGFashions jacket provides top-notch protection and comfort. The thick leather shell is designed to withstand impacts and abrasions while providing enough flexibility to ensure comfort during long rides. The retro design includes a bold front zipper, snap-down collar, and a slightly tapered fit, making it perfect for riders who enjoy a sleek, tailored look. It also features side pockets and a chest pocket, adding practicality to its classic look. The jacket is lined with a soft material to enhance comfort, ensuring that it doesn't feel stiff despite the thick leather exterior. Number 3. Infinity Men's Leather Brando Biker Jacket. The Infinity Men's Leather Brando Biker Jacket takes inspiration from the iconic Brando style and brings it into the modern era. Known for its classic, rebellious biker look, the Brando jacket features a bold, asymmetrical zipper that adds a touch of flair to the traditional motorcycle jacket. The high-quality leather used in this jacket is both durable and soft, providing a vintage look with modern comfort. The Infinity jacket stands out for its sleek fit and stylish design. Its slightly cropped length offers a tailored look that's both flattering and functional, allowing you to ride freely without feeling restricted. The jacket includes adjustable waist straps to customize the fit, making it easy to achieve a perfect balance of snugness and flexibility. The heavy-duty zippers and button pockets provide secure storage while maintaining the jacket's classic appearance. Its abrasion-resistant leather ensures durability while protecting you on the road. Number 4. SpazeUp Cafe Racer Vintage Leather Jacket. For riders seeking a jacket with a nod to cafe racer style, the SpazeUp Cafe Racer Vintage Leather Jacket is a standout option. Made from premium cowhide leather, this jacket offers both a high-end feel and solid protection. Its design is rooted in the cafe racer culture, with a streamlined silhouette that provides a snug yet comfortable fit. The jacket's lightweight construction makes it perfect for those who prefer a more fitted jacket without sacrificing protection. The SpazeUp jacket's vintage look is achieved with subtle distressing in the leather, giving it a time-worn, authentic look. It features an asymmetrical zipper closure with a snap-down collar, keeping the design true to classic retro motorcycle jackets. Additionally, the jacket includes a chest pocket and 2 waist pockets, perfect for storing essentials while on the road. Comfort is never compromised in this jacket. It includes a soft cotton lining that helps with breathability, ensuring you stay cool during your rides. Whether you're on the track or cruising through the city, the SpazeUp Cafe Racer Vintage Leather Jacket combines style and performance. Number 5. Keanu Reeves Black Retro Leather Biker Jacket. Inspired by the iconic biker look, the Keanu Reeves Black Retro Leather Biker Jacket offers a combination of ruggedness and refined style. Constructed from high-quality leather, this jacket features a timeless black finish that complements its classic biker aesthetic. The jacket's durable leather is tough enough to handle wear and tear while still being soft enough for comfort. This jacket stands out due to its exceptional craftsmanship, with clean lines and perfectly stitched seams that ensure durability and long-lasting wear. It features a full front zipper closure with a stand-up collar, which adds a sleek, modern twist to the traditional biker jacket. The jacket's tailored fit provides comfort without being overly tight, allowing for unrestricted movement during rides. In terms of practicality, the Keanu Reeves Black Retro Leather Biker Jacket includes several pockets for storage, including an interior pocket for your valuables. Number 6. Milwaukee Leather Melon 1522 Retro Brown Jacket. For riders who prefer a more rustic appearance, the Milwaukee Leather Melon 1522 Retro Brown Jacket is an outstanding option. Made from premium brown leather, this jacket exudes a vintage, worn-in charm. The soft, supple leather molds to your body over time, providing a custom fit that enhances comfort while maintaining its protective qualities. The MLN 1522 jacket is designed for optimal protection with CE-rated armor in the shoulders, elbows, and back. This ensures that you stay safe while enjoying the style and comfort of the jacket. The front zipper closure, combined with adjustable straps at the waist, allows you to achieve a secure, personalized fit. The jacket's classic brown finish gives it a timeless look that pairs well with almost any motorcycle or gear. The interior lining is soft and breathable, making it suitable for various weather conditions. The design also features multiple pockets for easy storage of personal items, making it practical as well as stylish. Number 7. UGFashions Men's Fight Hybrid Mayhem Jacket. The UGFashions Men's Fight Hybrid Mayhem Jacket offers a perfect blend of vintage design and modern protection. Crafted from a combination of premium leather and high-performance textile materials, this jacket combines the classic look of a retro leather jacket with enhanced functionality. Its sturdy build ensures durability, while offering the comfortable, flexible fit for all types of riders. The Mayhem jacket is designed for maximum protection, featuring CE-approved armor in the shoulders, elbows, and back. The jacket's hybrid construction allows for flexibility while still providing robust impact protection. The asymmetrical zipper and bold design elements add to its retro-inspired appearance, making it stand out from other jackets on the market. Comfort features include adjustable cuffs and waist straps, allowing you to fine-tune the fit to your body. The jacket also includes multiple vents to promote airflow, ensuring that you stay cool on long rides. Whether you prefer the boldness of the Brando-inspired style or the sleek lines of a cafe racer jacket, there's something here for every rider. With the perfect balance of protection and aesthetics, these jackets ensure that you can enjoy your ride in both safety and style. Choose the one that fits your vibe and hit the road with confidence.